The book of Hosea is a profound text that addresses themes of love, betrayal, and redemption. This presentation will explore its key messages and the lessons it offers for both ancient and modern audiences. Join us as we delve into the rich narratives and poetic expressions found in this biblical book. Profound work.
Understanding the historical context of Hosea is crucial. Written during a time of moral decline and political instability in Israel, the text reflects the struggles of a nation facing judgment and the call for repentance. This backdrop sets the stage for the book's powerful messages.
Hosea uses the metaphor of marriage to illustrate the relationship between God and Israel. The unfaithfulness of Israel is likened to adultery, emphasizing the pain of betrayal and the longing for reconciliation. This metaphor serves as a poignant reminder of divine love and faithfulness.
Throughout the book, we see a dual theme of love and judgment. Despite Israel's infidelity, God's compassion remains evident. This tension highlights the balance between divine justice and mercy, reminding us that even in judgment, there is a path to restoration.
Hosea emphasizes the urgent need for repentance. The call for Israel to return to God is a central theme, urging the nation to recognize its wrongdoings and seek forgiveness. This lesson extends beyond Israel, encouraging all to reflect on their own.
Hosea serves as a prophet, delivering messages from God to the people. His role underscores the importance of divine communication and the responsibility of prophets to convey truth. This highlights the enduring relevance of prophetic voices in guiding communities toward righteousness.
The book of Hosea is rich in symbolism. From the names of Hosea's children to the imagery of crops and animals, each element carries significant meaning. These symbols serve to deepen the reader's understanding of God's relationship with his people and the consequences of their actions.
One of the key lessons from Hosea is the importance of faithfulness. The text challenges individuals to reflect on their own commitments, both to God and to one another. It serves as a reminder of the value of loyalty and the impact of betrayal in relationships.
The themes found in Hosea resonate today. Issues of faithfulness, forgiveness, and redemption are relevant in our personal lives and society. By applying these lessons, we can foster deeper relationships and a more profound understanding of divine grace in our lives.
In conclusion, the book of Hosea offers timeless lessons on love, faithfulness, and the call to repentance. Its rich themes encourage both reflection and action, reminding us of the enduring nature of God's compassion. May we take these lessons to heart as we navigate our own journeys.